Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be telling you how to create invoices for different customers. So as you can see on the top we have different icons, and from this we'll go for reports and then click on invoicing. In case you're wondering what all these jobs are, these are all the invoices which have been recorded by clicking on record into the listing below, which you will see on the next screen. So let's click on create new invoice. So this is the kind of display you'll have onto your screen, and the first thing you have to do here is choose the taxi base name, which I'm going to leave as of now as it is because that's the taxi base name which I want onto my invoice. After that you have to choose the dates for the invoice, so I'm just going to go for 1st of August till the 30th of September. Then you can also sort the invoice by ascending or descending order of the dates. Because I want the dates to appear in ascending order, I'm going to go for ascending, and then I'll give this a special reference number so I can remember this. So let's go for 1, 2, 3, 4. So then you can also filter the invoice by the cash, credit card or account jobs, but because I'm going to make an invoice for all the account jobs for a particular account, so I'm going to go for account and choose the name of the account. And because I want to create the invoice for ABC account, so I'm just going to select ABC. Now on the right you have this VAT mode and record invoice entry into the listing below. This is the option which I was talking about earlier, and by clicking onto this little box your invoices will be recorded into the area below, which you can see on your screen. And because I also want VAT added onto my invoice, so I'm just going to go and click VAT mode and then produce invoice. So this is the kind of look you'll have for your invoice. On the left hand side you have the customer's name, and that's what we selected, ABC account. Below that you have 3 boxes which are blank as of now, but over here you have the customer's addresses appear. Because I don't have the address saved for this particular account, that's why these are blank, but you can always save the addresses into their profiles and it would appear over here. On the right hand side you have these dates which we selected, 1st of August to the 30th of September, and on top we have the actual date when the invoice has been generated. Say for instance you don't want a particular job to appear onto the invoice, all you have to do is click on the exclude from invoice box on the left hand side and just tick these little boxes, and this particular job would automatically disappear from the invoice. And then you have the dates, the times, the reference numbers, pick up and drop off addresses, wire address, that's if you have any additional address into the job, that would also appear in the invoice. And then you have the caller reference, that's if a particular passenger is traveling from a different account name. And then you have the vehicle, as to which vehicle is booked for this particular job. You have the cost centers, the waiting times, the actual fares, the parking, the total fare, and any of the references you want to put down. So this is how your invoice would look like, and after that all you have to do is click on print PDF, and this is the final look of your invoice. So it's all very simple. You have everything over there, and after that all you have to do is download and save this onto your computer, but I don't want to be downloading this as of now. So generating an invoice is very easy. All you have to do is just follow the steps I have told you, and you would be able to get the invoice as you want. I may not have gone into detail, but if you have any questions you can always feel free to email it to me and my team, and we'll be happy to answer and discuss everything in detail, how it actually works. Thank you, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.